Ochazuke is a traditional Japanese dish where rice is topped with various ingredients, then pouring green tea or dashi soup over it. Start by finely chopping the umeboshi with your fingers. Umeboshis, while there are different types, softer and larger ones work best for ochazuke. Prepare green tea. We are using green tea instead of matcha as it's less bitter. Steep in hot water for a few minutes. Place umeboshi and sesame seeds on top of cooked rice. Pour green tea over it and add nori seaweed. It's ready to eat. Enjoy it right away before the rice absorbs too much tea. Feel free to add more tea as you eat. Enjoy!